sure how bad a shape these doors were going to be in. They're in pretty bad shape. And I took the skin off of one of the front doors and it wasn't that bad. And the left rear I can't get a new skin for, so I'm going to have to be very careful taking it off. So if I repair the rusted out frame, I've got to make sure that I can get the old skin back on because I don't have anything to replace it. I did find a skin for this one, so I'm kind of using it as a practice. The aluminum is somewhat corroded at the bottom, but it's not that bad. Just taking this crowbar and peeling it up, getting it started. And then I actually have a real tool that's for this. After I get it started, I haven't found any kind of tool out there that is for this that gets it started. I gotta go all the way around like this. Get it loose. And I have this guy. Back here a little bit. If I get that stuff out of there, I can get this all the way down, get that all the way in there, and make that whole bowl nice and flat. Now this has a bonding agent on the back side of the steel frame in between the steel and aluminum, but over the 35 years that's pretty much released, so I have to get the aluminum off. Pretty much come off from the steel frame. If it doesn't, you can torch it, so you can see it's starting to pop up there, and kind of loosen up the adhesive. So I'm going to go around the whole thing and release all of this.